Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make Pinterest account private. So for you to be able to do that, you have to open your Pinterest app on your phone, then you tap at the profile icon, you tap on it, then you tap at this option which is the profile visibility, you tap on it, then from here you can simply configure the privatize option, which is private your profile. So once you private your profile, only your approved friends can see your pins and your boards. Even your followers and people that you are following can see your listed options and your pins in Pinterest. So if you still want these options to be on, then you tap on this button, then from there your account is privatized, and that's how to private your Pinterest account. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.